In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail error 400. If you're seeing error 400 in Gmail, it means Gmail can't process your request. It's usually caused by corrupted browser data, a misbehaving extension, or a temporary connection or URL issue. We'll start with the most reliable fix and then use quick checks to narrow down the cause. First, clear your browser's cache and cookies, which is the main fix. Open your browser settings, then look for the privacy or history section. Choose clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You don't need to clear passwords or browsing history for this fix. Confirm the clear, then fully close and restart your browser. After it reopens, go to Gmail and try again. Corrupted cache is the most common cause of error 400, and a fresh cache often resolves it in seconds. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of some sites, so you may need to log back in. If you want a quick test before clearing data, try incognito or private mode. Press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private window. On a Mac, use Command+Shift+N. Visit Gmail and try to sign in. If Gmail works here, that's a strong sign your normal profile's cache or an extension is interfering. Next, rule out extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and turn off all extensions. Go back to Gmail and reload the page. Some extensions, especially those that modify pages, block scripts, or manage cookies, can break requests and trigger a 400 error. If Gmail loads with extensions off, turn them back on one by one until you find the culprit. Also make sure you're using the correct URL. Type or paste http://mail.google.com directly into the address bar and press enter. Avoid old bookmarks or links that might point to an outdated or invalid path. Once the inbox appears, update your bookmark from this correct URL. Finally, try a different browser to see if the error is specific to your current setup. Open Gmail in Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and check whether the problem persists. If Gmail works elsewhere, the issue is tied to your original browser's data or configuration. Follow these steps, starting with clearing cache and cookies, and you should be able to fix Gmail error 400 and get back into your inbox quickly.